Brandon Greene here at Sarchione Ford, bringing this 2018 Genesis G80. Let me know what you think. We just took in this 2018 Genesis G80 all-wheel drive, silver on black. It's in excellent condition both inside and out, and then completely loaded to the gills. Only has about 6,600 miles on the odometer, so it's barely broken in and still under full factory warranty. And these Genesis, they just come with so many options, and it's such a fun car to drive. It's super comfortable and roomy inside. If you have any questions, please give me a call. My phone number is 330-510-9613. As always, thanks for the opportunity to earn your business and trust. Look forward to hearing from you soon. The interior of this G80 is completely decked out. You got power windows, power locks, keyless entry, power driver and passenger seats that are heated and cooled. It's like new. On the interior, you have the advanced safety package with lane keep assist. On your steering wheel, you got Bluetooth audio cruise, and all of your options. 6608 is the current mileage. It does have heads-up display as well. Large screen for your navigation, upgraded sound. You got climate control for both the driver, passenger, and rear. And just super clean. There's plenty of space for four in the back. With the center console down, you can have the seats heated as well. And then this large panoramic sunroof, home link for your garage door openers, auto dimming mirror. Just loaded. Any questions, give me a call, 330-510-9613.